new lecture of Verilog series, we are going to discuss the full adder using data flow modeling. So I will use to let's create a file full adder data flow modeling. So we are in the Xilinx Vivado. So we just create this project. We will do next. We need to create the file, so we will just name it full underscore adder, and we will just do it. We don't need any other file constraint file. We will choose random port, so we will just choose this port. Finish. uh, 1 second. So yeah, you can choose the inputs from here also, but I don't do that in my practice. I can assign ports here also. Just 1 second. Here is our file which we need to create. Let me hide this, magnify this, so we have this here. So let's create our program. We will choose the inputs, input a comma input b comma why it is auto writing, input c comma sorry, let me write it as c in, so it will be more comprehensible for others also. So let me write it as output c out, sorry, this is output will be this sum here, and output is c out. We are now assigning them as a 1 bit only, so there will be any some carry, like so it will go in the c out only. That's it. So we created it. Now we just need to use the assign keyword here. So assign, now how we are going to use it, so we can use the logic also, that sum is equal to a XOR b XOR c, that we can also do. However, we will see it later. There is one other way we can do using concatenation. We can use concatenation operator. This one is much easier. We will just write as c out comma sum equal to a plus b plus c, and this actually works. uh, so we assigned as c out. So let me tell you how this happens. What happens is c out comma sum, when we concatenate them, so it forms a 2-bit some random number, so we don't know this. So whenever this number, the sum is not a 1 bit, it goes a 2-bit. So if it like it has 1 0, so sum is 0 and c out is 1. So this happens when all three are, when two of them are 1 and one of them is 0. So the sum will be, their sum will be 1 0. So corresponding to this, if it will compare, so it here will be 1, here will be 0. So it works in this way. So we just created our full adder program using data flow model. We will see how to create it using gates also, but let me restore it, bring back the navigator, save our program. We need to create test bench also, so we will just go here, create test bench, uh, full adder. Let me write is full adder. Oh, but much better is just name test testbench. So I will just write test bench its name. Whatever name you want, you can choose. We are not doing the module definition right here. Let me expand it. So in this, go in the simulation sources, your test bench file will be created. Here is our test bench file. We will go here. We will expand this side. Uh, Now we are required to give the input, so we will give reg type to this a b c in, and wire to this c out comma sum. Now we will do what? We will assign, we will do module instantiation full underscore adder, design under test or unit under test. You can do both things, DUT or UUT. Uh, Now we will do this. Now we will just connect the ports, the dot A to A, in the order that we mentioned in the original file, dot B to B, uh, dot C in to C in. Then we have after C in sum and C out, dot sum to sum, and dot C out to C out. So we did our module instantiation here. Some problem here, error cout is already declared via cout dot cout dot b to b. That's it. Any other problem? Extra comma in portion associated list is not allowed. So here we have a dot c into c in, here, that's it. Now we will write our initial, inside our initial block, initial initial, uh, begin. We will write our executable code that will execute continuously, either it is combination or sequential type. So we will do what? We will do display. Mm, and we are displaying the value of a b c in, then sum and c out, and we are just using monitor to always display the values that are refreshed. We are using the T for time, percentage B for value of A, percentage B for value of B, percentage B for C in, and here percentage B. So here we have dollar time, comma A, comma B, comma C in, comma sum, comma C out. So that's it. So let's me after assign 10 seconds, we have a equal to uh, let us say 1, b equals to 0. For right now, let's assign c in as a 0 for these cases. After some cases I will see. 10 seconds, c equals to, we can do more thing. We can apply the loop also, that we will see, I will see afterwards, but let me do the basic way. Equal to 0, b equal to 1. So these are the basic cases. So after this, let me copy this. After 5 seconds, what we are going to do is, uh, after 5 seconds I'm going to change the value of c in. We will just check for, again, for those inputs that we choose, the value of a corresponding output, and we will just write here as dollar finish. That's it. So here we completed our program. We will just save our file here. I will just minimize this tab. Created it. Now let's go in the navigation bar, create the schematic for our file. So let's see the netlist it create going to create for us, using the HDL language that we just entered. Let's see, it is reading the netlist, creating the design. So now our netlist is created. This is our diagram. You can see initial their sum is they are happening. So why this diagram is showing not the normal diagram of consisting of AND gates and those, because we created it using the logic that I told you with this logic. We will create it using that logic also. So I will just close this schematic here. Now we will just run this simulation and see what will be the output. Uh, Let us wait. So here we have a simulation, but before it we just check the console here. So A, B, C in initially we did not assign A, B, so it was just don't care. When A is 1 and B is 0 and C in is 1, so C in is 0, so we get sum as 1, sum here is also 1. When these two values are, when C in is 1 and A, B is 1, so we get this sum as 0 and get a carry here. When A is 1 and C in is 1 and B is 0, we get a carry here and sum as 0. We will minimize this. We will open this file. We will go in full. We will see from here 10 seconds that A is 1, B is 0 and C in is 0. So see out is